How to fix can't distribute audio error on Roblox Creator Store. So if you want to fix can't distribute audio error on your Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox official website and log into your developer account or go with Roblox Creator Hub. After that, navigate to the Create tab located at the top of your navigation bar. Select the dashboard option to view your uploaded assets and experience. Click on the development items category, then select on the audio tab. Find the specific audio file that is showing the distribution error and click on the three dots next to the asset and select Configure from the menu. Ensure the distribution to marketplace toggle is switched to on position. So just simply go with creations and then development items, and here you will have your audio section. On the right side, you will have the three dots. Just simply click on the three dots and click on Configure and make sure that option of distribute to marketplace toggle is turned on. Just restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.